In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily group photos by day, month or year on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max on iOS 17. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap right here to head over to your main photo library, and then, as you can see, by default all the photos are sorted in chronological order from oldest to newest. However, we can easily in one click group our photos by days, months and years. All you have to do is just select days, month or years. That's how we can easily search for a photo by specific date. Once we find, let's say, a month we are searching for, we can easily get into all the photos that were taken in that month in that simple way. After that, we can also pinch it in that way to switch between days, months and years. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.